Everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at the Husqvarna 359. This one features a 24-inch bar and chain. That's a 3/8 pitch, skip tooth, 50 gauge, very popular for firewood cutting. Replaceable sprocket nose. This is a professional bar. You can pop the rivet out and replace the tip on it. Has the two large falling spikes. Chain tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts up right on the side your tensioner. Has a vibration isolation motor mounts for smooth operation. Just a very popular firewood cutting saw and a small landing saw. If you're in need of a good chainsaw, here's a very nice one.